Hey guys, welcome to BBMPulsers. I want to show you a couple boards. You've probably seen this one before. So this is the second version of the 220 volt AC BBMPulser 5B 2.4 Tesla. It's got a few modifications on it versus this prior board. For example, it has the capacitor already on it. Here it doesn't have it. In other things like inductor here marked, inductor is not marked here, and some other improvements. So this is the latest 220 volt AC BBMPulser 5B 2.4 Tesla, and I'd like to show you assembled board already. Here I have assembled board. This is a 220 volt AC transformer. My power is 120 volt AC, so I have to step it up to 240. This is the resistor. This is the fan here. This is a motor start capacitor. This is the capacitor bank. This is a charging circuit here, high voltage side. This is a 12 volt power supply to feed low voltage part of the circuit. And this is the heart of the pulsar. This is what makes it pulse here. Also, this model has a power adjustment here, and you can adjust the power between 1 Tesla and raise it all the way to 2.4 Tesla. And I will show you how it operates. I have a Tesla meter here, and we're gonna be able to take some measurements from it. Okay guys, so let me get this energized and we'll go ahead and test it. Okay, so I'm gonna lower the power all the way down and we'll take some measurements. Here we go. We get 1 Tesla, and as I increase the power, it's gonna be about 1.2 Tesla or so, and this is gonna be about 1.5 Tesla, 1.6 Tesla, and if I increase all the way to the end, we're gonna get about 2.4 Tesla. Let's see, 2.329. Well, this is the old coil that I am experimenting with, so that's probably I'm not getting 2.4 Tesla out of it. This is just for testing, but you got an idea. So let me show you the bottom side of this unit. As you guys see, this is a complete board. It contains pretty much all the components except a resistor and the fan. And if you mount this board inside the case, you will be able to support a fan with the case, and this will go on the casing as well in front of the fan, so fan can blow it off. This is the only part that gets warm here. Actually, it can get hot if you don't cool it off. This heatsink does not get hot. Thyristor does not get hot, or no other components here on the board get hot. So The only resistor will get hot if you don't blow on it. And fan here, this is a 15-watt fan, constantly works when pulsar is operating to keep the resistor cool. You don't need to use a transformer. As I said before, I'm using it because my power is 120 volt AC here. So coil is 3-inch coil, inside diameter is 1 inch, and has a 15 layers. It's a 14 gauge copper wire. What do you guys think about this full PCB that will allow you to put together BBMPulser 5B 2.4 Tesla? So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.